Well, how can you play offline music on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, it all starts on the iPhone that is paired with that Apple Watch, because there you get to open up the watch application and manage all of the things in here, right? So from the apps, just go to the music and you have some options, right? For the offline music on the Apple Watch, you might have the automatic downloads enabled, right? So for me, it just tells me some recent music. So some random music which I'm listening to right now or recently will be automatically downloaded for offline listening on the Apple Watch. But if that's not enough, or if I want more control over it, I can tap on the plus button below and literally pick any thing from my music library to be available offline on my wrist, right? So I get to pick like specific artists or whatever else I have in here, and those will be downloaded for offline listening on the Apple Watch. So it just means that I need to have my headphones ready and the Apple Watch only, no iPhone required, and I can start playing the music and it will just let me do that because I have them downloaded locally for offline usage in the Apple Watch storage. So that's how it works. It's just important to pick it up or selectively choose which songs you want to have there. But once you do set it up, you'll be able to listen to the music as much as you want. All right. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.